Here's how to convert to MP3 on Windows. I created a new file converter app that's called ConvertSave, and it converts images, video, and audio on Windows and Mac. And it does all this without uploading anything. So no weird sketchy websites. Just click and drag or drag and drop your files in. I could drag and drop this waveform file. I could go and grab some video and drag and drop that in as much as I want, and then select the output, make it MP3, hit convert, and it saves those MP3s back to wherever the original files came from. So we got the MP3 here from the video, and our WAV file was converted to MP3 over here. Yeah, I was sick of going to those weird, sketchy websites, and so I talked to my brother, who's a software developer, and we worked on this app together, designed it, coded it, created it, figured it out, worked through some kinks, and now we have ConvertSave, where you can convert images, video, and audio offline on Windows and on Mac. And so you can check it out with the link in the description down below, or just go to convertsave.com. I appreciate your support. Hopefully this is a good utility for you, and if anything, you can use it right now, or maybe you want to keep it around for a while. That's ConvertSave. It's as simple as that. It converts, and then it saves. I'll see you guys in the next one.